So as an instructor, you have overall skill. You don't have dedicated skill. Because I have to teach everything. If I want to fight, I just train one move until I can get you. And that's the distinction between a fighter and an instructor. Instructor, like me in the lineage, my job is to transmit all of them, not to be good at one only. If you want to fight, I don't care. I just train this one move until I get you. So, first of all, I want everybody to learn as much as possible. Then if you want to test your skill, only train that one move until it works. But all skills in Taiji are yin-yang separations. So, move and no move, like that. So, I'll try you already, John. So look at the sequence, just stand there. And don't move, okay? Go up a little bit to have a posture. So I touch him. Can you see this here? If I have anything like this, it's already lost. Go here and go lower. Can you see from here? I'm top heavy. Lower until the bottom is solid, the top is loose. And then just go like that. And in the future, you put it together. Can you see? I touched, locked here. So it's very important to produce this weird nerd feeling. I used to wear Kung Fu pants and pull them up here. Right? And watch. You watch. And then I go, can you see? And then I go, normal people, you're doing this. But can you see? No move. I'm pressing this onto the floor. Now you see the move here? It's not that nice looking. I'm weighing everything down. So same as a car. Unfortunately, my body is not recognized by your human lay eyes. So power is, you see that car, it hugs the floor. But everybody thinks that monster truck, like this. No, that truck goes very fast, it will go into the ditch. That Lamborghini goes, it's on the floor. Can you see the move? It's on the floor. It's not like this. When I issue power sideways, my top bottom is on the floor. Whatever happens, can you see? I'm here. I'm not doing this. Now you understand that Lamborghini part? Yeah. It's like traction. Speed won't jump on the floor. Like that.